Let's at least try it and see what we get. Let's just see what we get, right? Why not? Thing's running. Gotta at least take it around the block. Get the helmet on. Alright. Getting the helmet on, we'll start her back up. And if it's just smoking from the exhaust, we can patch that up. Throw a little patch around there. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Alright, start her back up. Ready? Fire. Fire. A little bit of choke. Uh-oh. What did I do wrong? Now she don't want to run? What does all this tell you? Alright, side stand is up. Hey, that went out. Good. How about first gear? The light says I'm in neutral. So that's probably wrong. Front brake works. Cool, cool. I don't know. Do I trust this puppy yet? I trust that she smokes, and that's weird. Alright, let's go back around the cul-de-sac. Oh, there's a car coming. Let's let them come by. Should probably back choke off a little bit. Second gear. Third gear. Rear brake works good. That's good because I did that. Turn signal. Oh, what was that? Something sounds loose. Alright. Yeah, something's loose up front. I'll have to figure that out. It's probably the tank. I don't know. Brakes. What's that? Yeah, something's loose. Oh, don't do that. I know we got a lot of work through. I don't know what gear I'm in. I'm obviously not in neutral. But that is what my dash says. I'm gonna have to figure out what is going on with the neutral light. Alright. What gear am I in? The red light, I think, is oil pressure, and I don't like that that's still blinking. Shouldn't be revving like that. Come on, baby. Oops. Don't break down on me now. A little bit of choke. I do not. I don't want to push you the whole way home. Come on. Oh dear. Somebody. Oh no. I guess we're pushing, dude. I guess we're pushing. Oh no. That's not ideal. You hear that? Yeah, something's up. And now we're stuck. I don't know. I don't know what. I don't know what the problem is. But we certainly don't have what we want. As far as she sounds, she's very tired. Get her home. Get her home. Ah. Why did that happen? Why? Why? Why did you have to do that to me? I don't know. Okay. Well, we made it home. And that was fun, right? I got to run and push a 750 XJ Yamaha. Not too far. I don't know why it died. But I'll figure it out, I guess. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the show. Subscribe for the knowledge. Sorry. I can't remember my own key phrase. Watch for the knowledge, subscribe for the power. I'm gonna charge the battery. That wasn't fun. See ya.